Emakhosini boko kona bomkhulu ngiyanamukela ku channel yami nisahleli nentokazi intombi endala ugogo Patricia. So today I want to talk about this guy who's trying to be funny and act smart on my channel, right? Guys, if you don't like my content or if my content does not resonate with you, pass. Remember, YouTube suggests videos for you and it's up to you if you click you want to watch or not. Right? For instance, if I come across tech videos whereby they do games, they show all these things, I'm not gonna click because of it's not for me. The only time I'll watch anything related to tech nyana wise, it's if I'm struggling with something, how to do something on my PC or whatever, then I go to YouTube, I click on the search button, then I search for that video, then I get it, I watch it, then that's the last time. Right? I believe that here on YouTube, there's a lot of pastors who preach, right? There's lots of Sarah Jakes, your TB Jakes, your whoever, people are preaching, your Pastor Stevens and what's or not, which is Pastor Stevens is my, like that guy, I love him so much. Yazin, I'm always watching him, right? So I'm giving you a plug, Christians. If you want to watch, you can watch him, right? But now, this guy, Uvusim Gomezulu, something, I'll just post his details here. Twice, not even twice, 3 times, he posts on the same day. He posts on different videos of mine. Same message. I think he's lazy to type. He just copied. So whenever he sees my videos, he just pastes. But I remember no, this was not the only 3 videos. Previously, he used to comment, but just that he did not comment gulandelana, so I did not pay much attention. And I'm even thinking, did he even type it? Probably it was posted on a WhatsApp group, church WhatsApp group. So he was like, I've got a plug, I've got to go to all those people who preach about African spirituality and act smart and act clever as if I know, then go post that. So I'm like, okay, no, that's a good plug. I commented. I was like, no, that's a good thing. Thank you so much for sharing. In actual fact, you know what? It's not a bad idea. How about you start your channel and you preach the gospel of God and we'll come and support you. We'll come watch your videos, Then I'm like, okay, you know what? Actually, let me search for this guy. And as I'm checking, he has followers, but 0 videos. And I'm thinking to myself, there's no way on YouTube. YouTube, it's very difficult to get followers. For you to get like 30 followers, that means there was a channel. You deleted the videos. That means the content that you were creating, people were not liking. So now this person stress school empilweni yakhe and usletha like him. But now I'm gonna give you a plug, right? Because I thought of reading the scriptures that you gave me, but I was like, I'm too lazy, right? So you can start your channel, take those scriptures, preach about them onto your channel, then I'm gonna come, I'm gonna watch, I'm gonna like, and I'm gonna say amen, we move on. You understand? Because I don't understand why Christians have the nerve and the audacity to go out of their way to come comment, maybe Tina, we don't know God. I don't go to pastors' pages and be like, guys, no, you are missing out. And sisters, no. If I like a message, I just click on like, I make that emoji of amen, or I click amen, or I say, wow, thank you so much for the lovely message. You just uplifted me. It does ganja. So I'm like, make it make sense. But anyways, thank you so much, guys. Ubukeli channel yam. Kodwa, ngicela ma uyi-Christian, you are most welcome to watch my videos. I don't have a problem. I am a child of God. I was created by God. I was created by God. God created me. I believe in God. If you want to watch my videos, you are most welcome. If you don't want to lose, my videos are not for you. But anyways, emakhosini lesedi ga ka makunda uwe.